What's going on everyone, Simon Says here, back with another video, and today I want to do a quick unboxing and first impressions of a new case from a company called Mous. This is their Infinity Case, which is a clear case which is also MagSafe compatible, as you can see. If you've not heard from Mous, they are a UK based company, and you might have seen their ads on YouTube or Instagram where they're doing extreme drop tests using their cases, chucking them off of cranes, balloons. They've gone to lots of Apple events where they've purchased the latest iPhone, put them in their cases and chucked them in the air. So this is one of their new clear cases called the Infinity Case. It retails for £59.99, so £60, so it's by far not the cheapest case. It's a very pricey case, but I wanted a clear case with MagSafe, and I haven't heard any decent reviews of the Apple clear case as well. So at the moment I'm rocking the official black leather case for my 12 Pro Max in Pacific Blue. So let's go and have a look at this case and see what it's all about. So as you can see, very minimalistic packaging, nothing much to it at all. This is how it came. So let's get the case out and pop that to one side, and we are greeted with a card. So warning, magnetic field. So this is interesting because obviously it's a MagSafe case that has magnets in. You can have a read of that, but basically telling you if you have a pacemaker or ICD users, then you're advised not to position this case within a 10cm radius of the implanted device, as it may cause interference. On the other side, put that crane away. We've done the testing, so you don't need to. So basically telling you that their cases are seriously protective, but don't try this at home. Don't be chucking your phone around. I certainly won't be. I'm sure there's plenty of videos on YouTube where people are chucking their iPhones in the air or drop testing them. So let's put that to one side and look at the actual case itself. So this is a clear case with MagSafe, and what I really like about this case in particular is you can choose the colour of the magnets or the ring. I believe they do blue, which is what I've got here, black and grey as well. But let's have a quick look at the case itself. So you can see there's a nice lip going from top to bottom, which is like an arc effect. Got a nice cutout for the mute switch, your volume buttons. There's a little bit of Mous branding just here, I don't know if you can see that. Going around to the side, you got your port openings as well. Again, would have been nice if they were the same size as the iPhone, instead they're symmetrical. Around here we've got a little lanyard cutout, your power button, and then nothing on the top as well. So this is polycarbonate back. According to their website, it does have anti-yellowing and anti-scratching, scratch protection coating. There's a bit of flex to it. So initial impressions, it's a nice case. Not too sure if it's worth the £60, but we'll give it a go, and it'll be interesting to see how long it takes before it yellows. So let's take my black leather case off my iPhone, and we'll give it a good wipe down. I do love the look of the 12 Pro Max. If you want me to do a video on how I've got on with this phone, I've had it probably for about 3 months now, then let me know and I can do one for you. So let's just pop it in. Fits in lovely there. What do you think about that, guys? Looks really, really nice. Obviously it's a fingerprint magnet because it is a clear case. But it's not too bad actually. It's not too bad. It's going to be one of those where if you've got OCD and you want it looking clean, you're going to be constantly cleaning this. So just bear that in mind. But it looks really, really nice initially. I like how the blue ring kind of matches the back of the phone. It's got a nice lip there. I am rocking a screen protector, and I'll put that in the video description of which one I've got. But as you can see, there's a nice lip there. So lay on the table protection, not a problem. It's not going to move anywhere. And it feels really grippy. There's a little bit of grip to the sides, nothing crazy, but it shows off the iPhone completely. Shows those nice stainless steel borders. Not going to have any issues charging or plugging any accessories into there either. In terms of camera protection, nice bit of camera protection there as well. So if you are going to lay it down, then it does slide around, but it's not going to scratch your camera at all. So really, really nice. Once I've got some MagSafe chargers, I will test this out. So let me know if you want to see a video on that, and I'll do that for you. Otherwise, that's it. That's my first impressions of the Infinity Case by Mous. Let me know in the comments if I've missed anything, and I'll be sure to try and answer your questions. Other than that, take care, and I'll see you soon.